Hey everyone, another new pair of Judy Blue shorts, and these are the lemon patch. So if I come up right close here, you can see it's like little tiny lemons on a white background in the patches there. This is so cute. And then it's got a little bit more distressing on the hemline, which is making it into a little bit of a shorter length just on the sides where that distressing is. And then you can see it's got that raw hem line as well. Super comfy and stretchy, and then it does have that distressing in the color as well. These are a high rise waist. The full rise inseam and length is going to be in the description for both regular and plus. So these come in small, medium, large, XL, 1X, 2X, 3X. I recommend the same sizing as all the shorts that you've got this year already. So small is 0 to 6 in your normal Judy Blue sizing, medium 6 through 10, large 10 through 13, XL 13 and 15, then your 1X is going to be your 14 and 16W, 2X 18 and 20W, and 3X 20 and 22W. So like I said, really cute blue color with that whisker coloring detail, that little lemon patch detail, little bit more distressing along the hemline, making it a little bit shorter in the front, but still really good length in the back, like nothing's gonna be revealed. Super stretchy in the waist. And then again, on the hemline, not fitted or tight at all. And then there's tons of stretch in the material as well. I love these ones. I hope you guys do too. I think it's a really cute little unique patch print there. Any other questions, feel free to send me a message and I will help you out.